Greetings, everyone. Today we will practice mindful breathing together. Whether you are sitting or standing, please follow my instructions to experience this practice. First, close your eyes. Bring your attention from the external environment back to your body. Slowly relax your eyeballs. Clear your mind without harboring any thoughts. Then slowly relax your shoulders. You can rotate your shoulders a bit to release any tension in your shoulders. Then relax your lower abdomen. Breathe naturally. Experience the sensation of relaxation in the lower abdomen. To relax is not to exert any effort in your body. Slowly release any unnecessary tension in your body. Enjoy the sensation of relaxation in your whole body. After relaxing your body, draw your attention to the tip of your nose and be aware of your relaxed breathing. Be aware that you are breathing. Enjoy the sensation of breathing. Experience it mindfully. Breathe naturally and smoothly. Don't worry about the tempo and length of your breathing. Just breathe in a natural way. Alternately, you can also practice counting your breath. Mentally recite a number with each exhalation. Be mindful of the number you count from 1 to 10. If you lose count or the counting is interrupted, that's all right. Relax and count by starting from 1 again. Relax the body, experience your breathing, and count the breath. At any time, in any place, experience mindful breathing every day. If you practice for only 21 days, you can easily develop a good habit, mindful breathing. You can also lie down to practice mindful breathing. For the elderly or those who need to stay in bed, you can guide them to do mindful breathing. Bring them a calm and peaceful mind. Whether sitting or standing, as long as you have time for a quiet moment, you can always enjoy being with yourself by practicing mindful breathing at any time in your daily life. Relax and experience the Chan practice of mindful breathing in the morning, afternoon, and evening. In only 21 days, everyone will be able to develop this easy and simple good habit.